Welcome back, guys. I'm sure each one of you who is watching this video will have such a corner in your home. And when I started organizing my home, my husband said, "My dear, this is the corner that you need to work on first." And I can clearly see that. You can see that too. So, this is where my entire YouTube stuff happens, where I do my editing. I just sit on this couch and just comfortably sit and edit and everything and anything. Anyways, so when my husband is home, there is an additional laptop, and that again takes another outlet and space. So you can clearly see how messy it is. No matter, like, even if I try rolling up a charger after it's used, still the place is so open and not organized. Like, I cannot beautify it in any manner other than hiding it, which is definitely not possible until I bumped into this organizer. This is the afterlook. So we have managed to have the extension board inside, and we have plugged in the USB chargers, the laptop plugs. It has comfortably fitted in. We wished we had a bigger box, but this was fine too. But let me tell you that you have bigger dimensions available online. So if you would want to look up, please do ensure you look at the dimensions too. They come with these holders where you can have the charging done this way, or you can even push the plug in and have it kept this way. You can also keep your mobile in the slots provided while charging and watch videos of your choice. So let's bid farewell to mess and let's get organized. Thank you for watching.